Be sure to mention if you clench or grind, we take teeth grinding, bruxism into account when planning your case. We'll design the bite, the way your teeth come together, to reduce stress on the implants if you're a grinder. Additionally, once your final teeth are made, we will provide you with a night guard, a custom plastic appliance you wear during sleep to protect your new teeth from heavy grinding forces. This is similar to what we'll do for patients with natural teeth who grind. With these precautions, even grinders can have implant bridges that last. The key is protecting the work from those excessive forces.